I am so incredibly excited to show you guys this recipe today. These zucchini pizza bites remind me so much of my childhood when I would eat a ton of bagel bites, but of course they are way healthier. Hey guys, I'm Justin from Cooking with Coit. I specialize in clean comfort cooking. And if you love this video, make sure you hit those like and subscribe buttons. Let's get started. First thing we're gonna do is cut our zucchini into 1/2-inch slices, and this is gonna serve as our pizza crust. Oh guys, and of course, like I always forget to tell you, if you haven't preheated your oven to 375 degrees, go ahead and do that now. Next thing we're gonna do is take these zucchini slices and put them on the baking sheet that I've already lined with parchment paper. And the key here is just to give them a little bit of space. We're going to be popping them in the oven, so you don't want them to be too crowded or they're gonna get a little more steamy than they are a little crispy, and we want a little crispy. Next, we're gonna take some olive oil spray and just give these a nice even coat, a light even coat of olive oil, and we're gonna do both sides. If you don't have olive oil spray, you can just use regular olive oil, rub it in your hands, and then rub it all over the zucchini slices. Next, we're gonna add marinara sauce to all of the zucchini slices, and there's really no perfect amount. This is totally to taste, so add as much or as little as you want. Now we're gonna add a little sprinkle of oregano to all of the zucchini slices on top of the marinara sauce. Again, there's really no like perfect amount here. Add as much or as little as you want. I love the taste of oregano, but it's a little strong for some people. So for those people, I would say just go a little bit lighter. Cool. Now we're gonna right into our mozzarella cheese. Again, there's no perfect amount, just add as much as you'd like. I love mozzarella cheese, so I'm gonna do a generous portion. One thing I wanna tell you guys, if you have kids at home and you struggle with getting them to eat enough veggies, which is like every kid on the face of the planet, these zucchini bites are really great because they're getting pizza, but they're also getting a really healthy vegetable with it. Now we're gonna throw them in the oven and cook for 10 to 12 minutes, and you wanna take them out just when the cheese starts to brown. One of the most important parts of this recipe is making sure that you don't overcook the zucchini, because overcooked zucchini gets kind of soft and soggy, and we wanna make sure this zucchini comes out a little crunchy, just like pizza crust. You can customize this recipe any way you want to, and I'm directly talking about the toppings here. I kept it very simple with just marinara sauce and cheese, but of course you could add little pieces of pepperoni and sausage. While these pizza bites are finishing in the oven, I am going to go ahead and slice up some basil. I'm gonna cut it really nice and thin for these small pizza bites so I can garnish on top. Oh my gosh! These zucchini pizza bites look so incredible. No matter how many times I make them, they just turn out great every single time. So to finish these guys off, I'm gonna take this little bit of basil and just sprinkle it right on top. Actually, no, sorry. I'm gonna do my crushed red chili flakes first, and then I'm gonna do my basil on top. So just a little sprinkle. Oh, guys, I left the little fresh seal on. Okay, hang on. I hate the fresh seals. I don't even really like those little plastic tops, like the sifter tops. I always take them off, but this one's built into the cap, so I'm kind of stuck. Okay, a little bit of red chili flakes all the way over. And if you have kids and you're giving these to kids, I do not suggest you give them chili flakes unless they like spicy, but most kids don't, so I'd be careful. Okay, a little bit of that. And then to finish them off, let's do a little basil on top. A little basil for each one. Not only are these zucchini pizza bites very delicious, but they're also incredibly cute. It's one of like the cutest recipes that I've ever made. There we go. All right, these look so delicious. I cannot wait to give them a try. But before I do, if you love this recipe and you wanna see more just like it, check out my healthy recipes playlist. Okay, let's get into them. Ooh, they're still a little hot. These zucchini bites are so delicious, and they came out perfectly crispy on the bottom. Guys, I know you're gonna love these. Make them for yourself, make them for your family or friends or kids. They're all gonna love them. I'll see you in the next video.